Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to delete an account on Google Authenticator. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Authenticator app on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your connected accounts listed on the main screen. This is where you'll manage everything related to your two-factor authentication codes. Now, here's where things get really simple. The process of deleting an account from Google Authenticator is actually quite straightforward once you know where to look. Start by locating the specific account you want to remove from your list. This could be any service you've previously set up with two-factor authentication, whether it's an email account, social media platform, or any other service that required additional security verification. Once you've found the account you want to delete, swipe left on it. As you swipe, you'll notice a trash bin icon appearing on the far right side of the account entry. Keep swiping until the icon is fully visible. This trash bin is your key to removing unwanted accounts from your Authenticator app. When you tap on the trash bin icon, a small prompt window will appear on your screen. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental deletions, which is particularly important since removing an account could affect your ability to log into that service if you haven't set up alternative authentication methods. The prompt will ask you to confirm whether you really want to remove the account from Google Authenticator. At the bottom part of this confirmation window, you'll see a button labeled Remove Account. Go ahead and tap on it to complete the deletion process. Once you do this, the account will be immediately removed from your Google Authenticator app, and you'll no longer receive verification codes for that particular service. And that's it. You've successfully removed the account from your Google Authenticator app. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.